Hey everybody, Luna here. I'd like to introduce you to my friend, Mr. Ninja. Wave hi, Mr. Ninja.
Hi.
My friend Panda is going to help me tell a story about Mr. Ninja and an adventure. Mrs. Luna Wolf and her friends, Pandy and Knuckles, are going to go on the adventure with him. Mr. Ninja goes on a walk. Mr. Ninja and his friends have a little talk.
Hi, everybody. Hi.
Mr. Ninja goes real fast. Mr. Ninja is having a blast. Mr. Ninja wants to grow tall. I sure hope he doesn't fall.
Mr. Ninja jumps up and down.
Mr. Ninja goes to the ground. Mr. Ninja doesn't know what to do.
What am I going to do?
So Mr. Ninja is gonna wave goodbye to you.
Bye-bye.
Alright kids, this is a short story, but just doing a little test to see if y'all find it interesting. Hope y'all have a great day. Stay safe. Till next time.